Hello guys, hope you all will be best. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to share with you how to earn money online with Google in India. So let's start. When it comes to earning money online, it is best to start with the most reliable ways. Over the year, Google has managed to owe user with its performance in every domain. However, most people are unaware of the numerous options provided by Google through which you can earn money from home. The method you choose depends on your area of interest and expectation from the work. The list below highlighted some of the most popular ways of earning online through Google. No matter where your interests lie, chances are you will find some that you want to try out of the list. Five ways we are going to share with you. Number one is blog, Google Ads. Number three, Google Play Store. Number four, Google Opinion Rewards. Number five, Google Pay. These are the five reliable ways that Google provided to people for earning money online. Number one is earn money from blogs. The best way to earn money through Google is through a blog. You can monetize your blog easily if you have a basic understanding of SEO. However, this only works if you have good quality content. SEO can help you drive traffic to your blog without spending any money. Once you start getting decent traffic, you can earn money through affiliate marketing, running ads, etc. If you have any services to offer, this can be a great way to reach out to your target group. Did you know that YouTube, the world's most popular video content platform, is actually owned by Google? Yes, you can simply create a channel on YouTube and monetize it through Google AdWords. Number two is make money with Google Ads. If you are looking to monetize your blog or website, the best way is to do so would be by using Google AdWords. It will help you keep track of and find out ways to drive more traffic to your blog or website. However, you will need to have a good knowledge of the demand competition and also have a set budget. The more competitive the keywords, the higher the bet. Also, do your research on the relevant keywords and their search volume before you place a bet. This will improve your visibility and eventually get more conversation. You can also run your own ad using AdSense that target your customers and boost traffic. This will require some investment and should only be used if you are confident in your ability to market your product or services. Number three is earn money online from Google Play Store. Google Play Store is the most popular Android 8 platform today. If you are an Android user, chances are you have downloaded quite a few apps from Play Store. However, you might be aware that there is a simple way to earn money through Google Play Store. If you have a knack for app development, this is a great option. The most direct way to make money through your app would be by selling it to Play Store. If that doesn't work for you, you can always monetize your app through advertising, affiliate marketing, or an app purchase. There are several ways to earn money by using Play Store. You can download other apps that will help you earn money. For instance, if you are keen on starting a business of your own, you can download Meesho app and start your own reselling business. All you need to do is register as a reseller and start sharing products in catalogs with your online network. You will start receiving orders soon. You can then quote a price with an added margin, which will be your profit. This is a great way to earn money without any investment. Number four is make money from Google Opinion Rewards. Ever wondered if you could get paid to click on advertisement? Yes, you can. It is just as simple as it sounds. This app was created by Google as an incentive for users to give feedback on various products and services. While you may not be able to make a lot of money using this app, this is a good way to utilize your free time to earn a little extra money. Needless to say, the more service you take, the more money will you be able to earn. The amount per survey would range from 5 to 20 hours, and there is no limit to the number of surveys you can take in a day. Number five is earn money from Google Pay. You may already be using Google Pay app for bill payment and money transfers. This UPI based bill payment app is convenient to use and has gained popularity in all parts of the country. While you may not be able to make a regular income using Google Pay, you can still earn some money through the invite and earn option the app provides. This is nothing but a referral system in which you can earn 51 rupees each time a user installs the app uh, through your referral link. Apart from this, you can also earn scratch cards when you do transactions on the app. These cards and coupons, when redeemed, will directly transfer to the amount you have won into your bank account linked with the app. As highlighted in the above list, there are many ways to earn money online from Google if you know how to use it. If you want to know more about the different ways to earn money online with Google in India, uh, we will share and brought some more videos related to this topic for you people. Thanks for watching the video.